everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, October 20th through Saturday, October 26th. I think October is kind of a slow month, but it's kind of good. This week that's going on right now is a very good week to build points. There is some good deals going on, so I'm just going to walk you guys through the ad and share with you guys some deals. Now on the thing you see deals of the week. Now they do have Kellogg's cereal for $1.88, which is a pretty good price. Now there are some coupons on the Kellogg's Family Rewards site. If you guys want to do that, there's some 50-cent off ones, there's some $1 off of two. It just depends on what flavor you guys want. But if you guys need that, just depends on what you got with that. They also have Angel Soft and Sparkle. Now it's $4.99, and it looks like there is going to be a $1 off coupon, making them $3.99. Now that is for the Angel Soft, the Sparkle paper towels, and the Quilted Northern toilet paper. We also have Old Spice, Gillette, Secret, and Old Spice deodorant for $2.99. Now I'm not sure if there's any coupons out there for that, but you guys would end up paying $5.98 for two of them, and then you guys get a $3 register reward for two of them, making them $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece. So if you guys need some specific items, they also have candy, 2 for $5. With the $1 coupon included, so I don't see any candy of the week like they've been doing. They have soda, buy 2 at $5.99, you get 1 free. They have chips, 2 for $4, and then the Arizona is always 2 for $1. So yes, this is the last page. They do this in the Walgreens site, but it looks like they got root beer and ginger ale and 7-Up, all that's 3 for $9.99, making them $3.33 a piece. They're doing the nice bags again, you guys. I say get those bags for like trick-or-treaters. Just get a little sandwich bags and just put candy in them. That's what I should do. I should do that. But those are buy one for $2.79, get 2 free. So you guys will get them for 93 cents a piece. They do have nothing else that's popping at me. Armand Hammer is buy one get one free. A lot of the toys are buy 2 get the 1 free. I kind of wait till around Black Friday to get toys if I am doing that. But I will be doing a toy video for you guys probably around Black Friday, because we're planning on buying a lot of toys and giving them to Toys for Tots. So Benjamin's going to be with me on that. But they have some marshmallows, you guys, for $1. That is awesome. Dixie and Vanity Fair napkins are buy one get one free. So those are usually, I think, like $2.99 or $2.29. I cannot remember off the top of my head. But there's going to be a digital coupon for $1 off of 2. So if you guys want those, I always like to stock up on paper plates, especially around like this time of the year, because, you know, I don't feel like doing dishes constantly. But yeah, they got some food, nothing really popping out. Lindsay's always 99 cents or 2 for $1. It's like, it's always on sale. Same thing with energy drinks. It's always $5.99. Like, it's a permanent $5.99 price. If you guys do have Yellowtail wine, they have it for $5.99. You guys will get $5 of a savings reward when you buy 2. That comes out to be like $3 a bottle if you guys want to do something like that. More food. I do know there was a $1 off of 4 coupons for Pringles if you guys are interested in that. They did have a $1 off Godiva candy bars on coupons.com, but nothing. Now here is that rebate, you guys, that's still going on, the WAGS rebate for $10 off when you buy 6. I don't know what coupons we still have, but $4.99 when you buy 6, you get a $10 gift card. That's been going on for a while. It's the fall rebate, so when they have winter, they'll have a new rebate for you guys. Here is some gifts that they're already starting to plan out, because some people like to do their Christmas shopping. One thing I do recommend, if you guys ever need filler items, or you guys need to buy something cheap that you don't want to go to waste, buy some socks or like anything that's like this type of deal, and give them to your local shelter, or go give them to somebody who needs socks. I think I kind of want to do something like that one day. Just buy a bunch of socks and give them to, you know, somebody to help out. They do have some items 2 for $5 of the Halloween stuff, some decorations and makeup and all that stuff. Buy one get one 50% off. Now the Crunch and the Butterfinger are 2 for $1. I'm not sure if we're getting any coupons for that, but usually what I've noticed is when you buy like 6 of them, there's usually a Catalina that prints off. So hopefully, you know, something like that pops up. Now here is the makeup. Nothing really popping out right here, but they have Revlon 2 for $6. And it looks like there's going to be a coupon for buy 2, get 1 free. It's a digital coupon. So you guys would basically get 3 boxes of hair dye for $6. That's $2 a piece if you guys were interested in something like that. L'Oreal Olive is 2 for $8. We are getting a 3 off at 2. Or no, that's a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet off at 2. And then we have a 3 off at 2 coupon in the inserts that we're getting, so making them $1.50 a piece. Garnier is 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2, plus there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them $1 a piece, which is an awesome deal. I'm going to share with you guys here. This is Revlon and Almi. If you guys spend $15 or more, you get $10 of register reward. Now, the following week is if you spend $10, you'll get $10 of register reward. So I have a lot of coupons that I still want to use, you guys. So I'm gonna try to do a lot of makeup deals, just because I want to, you know, start getting those register rewards to start building up. I want to get my points. What I want to do, but you know, Christmas is right around that corner, and I like to buy. Actually, you know what? I have a plan of what I'm going to do with you guys on those register rewards, so you'll have to see and what happens. But they do have, you know, some other deals. Nothing really popping up. Aveeno, Johnson Baby, Desitin is buy one get one 50% off. You do get a $5 register reward when you guys buy $20 or more. Here's like the medicines and personal care products. Nothing really popping out, you guys. It's a slow month. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a slow month, but that looks to be about it, and that is the last page of the Walgreens ad. So here's the movies for $19.99. Lion King and Spider-Man. So what you guys could always do is buy makeup. You know, you can buy 3 items or whatever, 2 items with those coupons that we have, get a $10 register reward, and buy a movie. Like, there you go. There you go. I like to do that. So I'm going to try to get a lot of register rewards just so I can start doing some gifts for the future. There's some stuff that I have in mind that I would definitely want to do. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all next week for my Walgreens haul. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.